Atlanta. Civil rights history, Olympic legacy, and a skyline that never stops rising. And you're stuck listening to a guide who's already checked their watch. Group tours that rush you past the Ebenezer Baptist Church in 10 minutes, then hurry you out of the King Center before the history even sinks in. Uvamai's Atlanta self-guided audio tour puts the city's most iconic stories entirely in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Trace the story of the civil rights movement at Ebenezer Baptist Church and the King Center. Marvel at the Georgia Aquarium and the world of Coca-Cola. Unwind beneath the trees of Piedmont Park and the Atlanta Botanical Garden, every stop unfolding in its own time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Atlanta, not just photograph it. $6. Atlanta's landmarks, history, and hidden corners. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com